Okay na sound down. Mga Iloilo, kag sa tanan yung malabutan sa atong programa, kapi kag issue live sa Hotel Del Rio. Subong ari kita sa aton venue, ang Bantog Hotel Del Rio. Kag kaupod naton diri ang aton panelista, kag aton bisita sa mga gapro, unahon tang aton nga panel, si Francis Teranya. Francis, your
Good
greetings.
morning, nung Peter, good morning sa ato bisita dire. We are very thankful nga bisan very busy siya sa iya opisina. Kag dito pa sa Negros Occidental, nagtabokid ini siya, kay di naman iya balay kag naghapit ni diri siya nagkatugid sa Hotel Del Rio para magtambong lang kag ngingin guest sa Kape at Issue TV program. Good morning, nung Peter.
Pagkilala ko sa inyo aton ginakalang nga bisita, pero may gini siya ginhandom sa tanan nga mga local government units nga masudlan niya, no? Pagkilala ko sa inyo aton nga former DA man din sa aton sa Iloilo ni si Engineer Rodney Gustilo. Sir, your greetings to our televiewers.
Thank you nung Pet and Francis, of course. Maayong aga gid sa aton mga kasimanwa diri sa syudad sang Iloilo.
Kag nung Peter, gina-congratulate na gali si Engineer Rodney Gustilo kay na-promote ini siya bilang DPWH Assistant Regional Director sa newly created Negros Island Region from District Engineer sa Negros Occidental 3rd District Engineering Office nga nakabase sa Kabagalan City sa Negros Occidental. Ang aton isa ka truly blooded Ilonggo si Engineer Rodney Gustilo, newly promoted DPWH Assistant Regional Director sa Negros Island Region. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Francis.
Abi, Francis, ikaw pag unabi pamangkot kay Engineer Gustilo sa luyag mo ipamangkot.
Sir, bilang bag-o ang Negros Island Region, kag newly created man ang DPWH NIR, ano abi ang nalantaw mo nga una nga tasking nga trabaho nyo sa pagpungko nyo sa NIR kag bilang isa ka ka-assistant regional director?
Francis, no, actually, we must understand nung ang Negros Island Region was created by virtue of Republic Act 12000, no? So naprubahan na ini kag ang aton nga implementing rules and regulations ini is for signature na sang aton presidente, no? By virtue of that Republic Act, we were designated, no, as the Assistant Regional Director sang DPWH Negros Island Region, together sang, of course, ang aton mga regional director nila si Director Maria Denise Ayag, no. So ang aton pag-asumar sina nga posisyon, actually we have a big task to do, no, because ini newly created ining regional office, no. As of now, ang amon obra ni director, we will be temporarily based, no, dito sa Municipality of Amlan, Negros Oriental, no. Dito kita mabasi sa may compound dito ang DPWH. It is has an area of 1.9 hectares. So ginapaobra namon to subong ang temporary namon nga opisina na nakaparelease na sang pondo for that ang aton central office. As of last week, we are also required to submit, no, the estimated amount for the construction of the new regional office for Negros Island region of DPWH, no. We have submitted an amount of 600 million for that, no. And of course, nag-request naman kita, no, nag-request na si Director Ayag for the issuance of sang ginatawag nga agency code. Ang agency code nga ini kinanglan ini para nga dira iga-download ang mga pondo para sa aton nga newly created regional office for DPWH. At the same time, nag-request man kita sa DBM sang NOSCA amo ni ng plantilla positions for the employees of the regional office for the NIR. So damo ini nga mga employment opportunities, no, as far as the regional office for the NIR is concerned, no. We are on that process, no, and one thing more is that may mga suggestion man dito nga ang mga proyekto, no, nga natupa sa Region 6 and Region 7 falling within our jurisdiction, no, area of jurisdiction sang NIR. Ano lang anay temporarily ibutang lang anay sa central office as implementing office, and after that kung ma-release ng aton agency code, it will be sub-allotted to the Negros Island region, so that by 2025 we will be officially starting sang aton operation, no, dira sa Negros Island region. But as of now, I'm still acting as a concurrent district engineer of Negros Occidental 3rd DEO.
Okay, sir. Naibaluhan naton ang newly created nga DPWH NIR. Dako ini nga scope. Anong ka district engineer kon DPWH District Engineering Office ang ara sa Negros Occidental. Isa sa Bacolod, kag 5 kamo. Kag lakip na ang sub District Engineering Officer sa San Carlos. Daw anong kamuda?
Actually, Francis, no, ang matapos ini ang mga district offices nga under sa Negros Island region, there will be 10 district engineering offices, no. Anom sa Negros Occidental,
Tatlo
no.
sa Oriental,
Tatlo
isa
sa Oriental
Siquijor.
kag isa sa Siquijor.
Okay,
So mabilin sa Region 6 nga district engineering offices, pulo man kabilog, no. So
Okay.
madugang na isa kay of course ang Dumangas, ang Iloilo Second DEO, which is originally sa Dumangas, no, based on Dumangas, tungaon ini, no. Pagkatungaon ini ang isa ka district will be based in Dumangas, and the new district will be based in Pututan City, in Pututan, municipality Pututan, no. May mga may mga tentative na ining designated nga district engineer, no, ang sa Pututan, no. Ang dira sa Iloilo Second, still si DE Alan Pajimna, who is due for retirement by March next year, no. And definitely siguro ang mabulos na siya ang incumbent nga assistant district engineer, si Engineer Edward Oren, no. So nagapabata nung pet ang mga gasulod sa mga engineer, no, ang mga district engineers, no. They will be next in line, no. Kita in the middle na kita, of course. We are now on the final 8 years of our public service, no, sa DPWH.
Kung bakantihan mo, sir, ang Negros Occidental 3rd District Engineering Office based sa Kabakalan City, kay gin-promote ka ERD, sino ang imuon dira nga district engineer sa imo opisina sa Kabangkalan?
Actually may ara na nga ngalan, no. Actually they are supposed there are supposed to be designations, no, nga ihatag na supposed to be soonest time possible, no. May ngalan na may ngalan na nga nahatag, but with the of course may makonsulta gid sila ang department man sa aton nga mga politiko sina, no, in kaso nga mga pagabayluhan ng mga district engineer. Of course they are as a matter of tradition, the congressman of the DEOs are being consulted, no, before designating somebody as replacement of the incumbent district engineer, no. Because as of now, wala pa man gid fully functional ang aton regional office sa Negros Island Region. I was instructed by our undersecretary, si Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo, to act as ang concurrent district engineer until such time that the Negros Island Regional Office will become fully functional. But definitely ang estimate ko sina it will become functional. Siguro of course may banning period na, definitely I will be staying with my district until after election period. Most probably that will be until July next year, no. Amo na ang akong approximation, because as of Thursday night, that was the instruction of Undersecretary Bernardo sa akon.
Nung Peter ko na ito madumduman last month, ato kita dito sa groundbreaking sa Negros Occidental Convention Center sa Silay City. Witness kita kag arag kita sa gindala ni DPWH Undersecretary Bernardo, si Engineer Rodrigo Stilo, kay Albi Benitez, ang mayor sa Bacolod, kag ikot ko nga nabatayan ko. Mayor Albi, ito si Engineer Rodrigo Stilo ang magiging Assistant Regional Director ng DPWH sa NIR, di ba sir?
Actually during the time, no, ara man si Director Denise Ayag actually was also introduced, no, by Yusek Bernardo to the politicians of Negros Occidental, of course. And of course it includes us, no. We were also introduced to me, more particular to Mayor Albi, as the incoming Assistant Regional Director at that time.
Balo ka, engineer, si Francis na may idya man ni Mao. Yung balaan niya daw niya ma-promote ka ba? Wala ka pa ma-promote, aran sa mo.
By the way, nung Peter, palakas na ito kay Assistant Regional Director Rodney Gustilo. Sino ni bala ang bag-ong gibutang kag incoming Regional Director sa DPWH sa NIR, si Dennis Ayang? Sino ini siya? Pwede mo mapakilala sa amin ni sir?
Actually, Francis, no, si Director Ayag was also my classmate during in 2011 when we attended the district engineers course, no. So we are during that time we are due for promotion, no, to district engineer, no. We are required to attend as a requirement. We attended the district engineers course, no, way back in 2011, no. So from there, no, he was of course nauna nagdungan kami ma-promote district engineer. But I think according to him, after 8 years, naging siya, Assistant Regional Director sang region, I think Region 2 or Region 3. No, until last year, he was transferred to the Bureau of Design in the central office in preparation, and eventually promoted to director position, no. So that's paved his way to be designated as regional director of Negros Island Region. Maayon ni si Director Ayag. Actually, we were together last week, no. Last week in Dumaguete, no. Kilala ko din siya. He is a very amiable person, no. So daw maayo man ang record sa department. That's why pag-apply niya as regional, that's why may ano siya, may career path sa, no, because balaan mo man sa department kung maayo ang record naton, sila ni ang naga-draw sang direksyon where kundiin ka maano. Just like me, no, when I applied, actually ang ako ning pag-aspirar as regional director was started only last year, no, January to be exact, no. I went to central office, no, to express my intent, no, to be designated as assistant regional director to Yusek Bernardo, of course. and of course to our assistant secretary. So I was happy then na wala man sang negative comment during the time. So they have expressed their willingness to help me. Then they are the ones who draw the direction kung sino ang kantuan dapat naton. Of course, we cannot deny the fact that ang mga positions naton sa DPWH like the district engineer and the assistant director, regional director, there are some political implication. And of course, we need to
Dinis sir, si Director Dinis Ayam.
kuan siya I think taga Region 3 ni siya.
Luzon.
Pero ang mother yes he's telling me that kuan siya daw taga Bohol ini ang iyang
Bohol, oh.
half Bisaya man siya. So taga Bohol ang iyang mother, ang father niya taga Luzon.
Thank you, good sir.
Ang ni pa bago nga promosyon mo, kag bago naman nga naproba naman nga inayar galeno. Ano karon ang paghatag na sa birth name sa bagong opisina kay diri ang tawag sa kabilugan sa Mambal kita Region 6. Karon ano matabo karon kay natunga sa anong pangalan butang ta sa Negros.
So as of now, because as provided for under the law creating the new region, ang ginabutang nila di is Negros Island Region. Negros Island Region. So amo na siya ang nabutang nila nga ngalan for the newly created region.
Kainap din ka ulat sa aton. Nelva Santana, no? Watching our show. Shout out na. Baon, no, ni Residina. Silvia Lerona is also watching us. Tricia Young, my friend from Manila. Irma Adorador Chua of Haniway. And Ma'am Florence Carol of Toronto, Canada is watching us. And thank you for the stars, ma'am. Thank you very much for the stars. Karon sa bagong mga assignment, no? Paano na ng imo opisina kanang lami isa ka nga ibutang nga district. Kaya ang imo roles mo mag-monitoring sa kabilugan eh. Ining pulo ni ka-distrito nga under sa Negros Island. Bisikin ang lagi ni bisitahan sa Assistant Regional Director every now and then.
Actually nung pet no ang function sang regional office no, because ining mga district engineers may mga delegated authorities ni sila. May mga delegated authorities kung diin lang hasta ang ila approve. So there seems there is a degree of independence ni sila as far as management and control of the respective district engineering office. Ang role niya sang regional director, ang sa regional office, supervision lang ini as far as the function of the DEOs no. Of course, from time to time we will be conducting inspection no sang mga DEO ini. Kag as of yesterday nagpagwa na si Secretary Bunuan sang department order no, officially establishing the Negros Island Region DPWH Regional Office and directing all the district engineers within that the area of responsibilities ng NIR to directly report to the regional director of DPWH NIR. So that was only officially issued yesterday, no, effective yesterday. So ang matabo sini of course ma-met pa kami sini, ma-meeting pa kami sa kay Director Oropel as well as kay Regional Director Danilo Villa sang Region 7. Kay as of now of course wala pa kami empleyado, so ma-detail lang kami anay sa subong na nung sa empleyado to do nahon gini namon ang sa planning kag sa administrative division. Of course ang administrative division we will be starting evaluating all applications for the newly created positions no. And sa planning, of course, we will be preparing for our proposal for 2026 budget for the newly created region. And eventually, there will be consultations that will be made to the, of course, to the provincial level, of course, both Negros Oriental and Negros Occidental, no? Para mabalanta ano ang development agenda sa mga gobernador, mga congressman within our area. And we will consolidate it into one master plan for the infrastructure development ng aton nga newly created region. Of course, we must understand an infrastructure plans and development should be collaborative, no, with the development and economic agenda of different chief executives of the provinces and LGU within our EOR.
Kamusta ang budget mo sa DPWH sa 2025 daw? Anong balita ko daw nagdubo?
Wala pa kami nung kabalo, no? Kaya as of now, ang naabalaan lang sa amon mga opisina, mga DEOs, amon ang ginatawag ang ara lang sa National Expenditure Program, no? But of course, it has been observed for the past years nga pag-abot sa General Appropriation Act or sa House House General Appropriation Bill, nagasaka ini sometimes may mga dugang ang aton budget. But as of now, what we are doing is that we are already starting no sang aton mga pre-detailed engineering survey for the projects which were provided for under our National Expenditure Program for the respective district engineering offices nationwide as well as sa mga regional offices nationwide.
Ang risk secure under na nasubong sa inyo?
Under na siya sa NIR. So, it is part of the newly created region.
District Engineering 10.
Isa lang na siya ka district secure, no? Secure District Engineering Office. So, ang the whole island of Secure, isa lang ang District Engineering Office.
Okay. So, tagaanda na ni acknowledgement ng ato niya mga viewers, no? Lucy Boyko is watching us. Shout out to si Lucy Boyko. Ton Yeng. Also to Lex Topas. Good morning sa inyo, Lex. Ito, Doktora. Carmelo Garcia. Iris Bacabak. Francis Calunsod. Daryl John La Rosa. Lawrence Quirol, Toronto, Canada. Edith Bio, Perlan, Texas. Watching us. Ricio Dena. Sylvia Lerona. Reid Nunoy Lumampaw. Tricia Yang. And Irma Adorador Chua. Francis.
Well, sir, ato na baluan nga ang DPWH Negros Occidental 3rd District Engineering Office under the leadership of Engineer Rudy Gustilo is in good hands. Nga ibilin mo ni sa maayo nga butang, maayo nga sitwasyon. Isa ito pagbut-libot to sa mga kabanwanan sa Negros Occidental nga sakop ni Engineer Rudy Gustilo. Wow! Makawaw ka nung Peter, mataom ang highway, malapad, mintilado, well lighted, ang mga tay-tay dito, ang mga snow protection, agyan na to, kalapot kita sinubaan. Kag sa itong pagbut-libot to, daw matatumigo nga mga mayors, pamangkot na to kung kamusta ang liderato ni Engineer Rudy Gustino, 100% nung Peter wala sa reklamo, kag maayo ko niya si Engineer Gustino kay sa paghatag sang kooperasyon sa mga LGU, sa mga proyekto nga ginapamutang dito sa DPWH Negros Occidental 3rd District Engineering Office sa Negros under the leadership of Engineer Rudy Gustino. So sir, bayaan mo ini? Kag damo apat to talapuson nga mga proyekto. Ang inigan ni sir mga nasuguran mo kag talapuson nga mga dalagko nga proyekto sa area da sa Negros Occidental.
Of course, Francis, no, it's normal, no, because we cannot be holding two positions at the same time, no. So as I've said, no, definitely, no. I will be leaving that district comes, no, anytime from most probably June or July next year, no. May as I've said, may gina proponer na dira nga bago nga district engineer. Of course, na sila na presentar na siya sa aton nga kay Congressman Mercedes Alvarez, no, sang the other day, no. And of course, nag-request man si ano to provide a good transition period. So I will be given uh, time to ano para mapakumpleto naton ang mga nasugdan naton dira nga mga proyekto. And of course, ina nga mga tsimpo, mga June or July, it's a timing because maga-start naman ina sang pagpapreparar sa mga program of work kag mga plano sang mga projects for 2025. No, that's a good timing nga magsulod naman ang aton nga bag-o nga district engineer. Anyway, I assure the good congresswoman, si Kong Chideng na I will be, of course, I will be in my capacity as the Assistant Regional Director. I will still, closely supervise his district, because pasalamat, I'm very grateful makita nung pet sa kay Kong Alvarez, sa Iamay, nga si Kong Limao Alvarez, nga in the short period of time, nga I have been with them, kulang-kulang 4 ka tuig, we have developed sang naging saligan man ta nila, so amo na nga very grateful gikita sa ila. Of course, maayo man ang pagtrato nila sa aton for the past 3.5 years nga I was serving as their district engineer.
Nabaluan nato sir kay Benamangkot no. Ang area da ni Engineer Rodney Gustiro sa 3rd District Engineering Office. Do in PA prone area ini. Pero gabi din sa imo sir panaka kato sa bukid kag na-implementa dito ang mga big infrastructure project sa mga mountainous area sa imo nasakupan without gindisturbo, ginabusuan, kag ginharas ang New People Survey. Daw wala kita kabati, sir, during your term subong?
Actually, dira subong sa 6 area, which was, of course, it is public knowledge nga during the 80s, it was the most infested area, in terms of insurgency, Actually, for the past 4 years, daw wala man kita nakita gida nga napatian nga mga encounters gid nga dako, in that area, Kag of course may mga project kita that you're right, may mga LCAC project kita that way back 2022. Ang ining LCAC project, of course, balanta man this is na siya ng pag-construct sa mga roads sa rebel infested area. So we're happy nga natapos man ang project naton nga wala man kita sang problema, daw wala man gintandog dira ang mga equipment sang aton nga mga contractors, Of course, siguro we are ensuring nga ang mga pumuluyo dira sang sinang area ginapaubragid sa project, Of course, it's a requirement, basic requirement on all the PWH projects are supposed to be there. The 10% of the workforce should be hired locally, where the project is located. So far, we are happy nga wala, kita dira sa mga disturbance nga na encounter related sa insurgency during our time in the course of our implementation sa aton mga proyekto dira sa aton area.
Ano gani sir sa kupad mo nga kabanwanan sa Southern Negros Occidental nga area of coverage ang DPWH Negros Occidental 3rd District Engineering Office?
Ang Negros 3rd ni Francis, this is one of the biggest district engineering office in Region 6, in terms of length of the national road. This is the 3rd biggest district, after Iloilo 2nd, which has a road network of 360 kilometers, and Antique, which has a national road network of I think 340. Ang aton dira mga 300 kilometers ang aton area. Traversing to the 2 cities and 6 municipalities, amo ni siya ang cities ta dira ang Kabangkalan kag ang Sipalay, ang mga kabanwahan nan amoning Kawayan, no, Kawayan under Mayor John Ray Tabuhara, ang Ilog under kay Mayor John Paul Alvarez, ang Hinubaan under kay Mayor Duff Reliquias, ang ano pa, hindi, Kawayan, Hinubaan, Ilog, Kanduni. Ang Kanduni under kay Mayor Ruiz, no? Kag ang Sipalay under kay Mayor Gina Lizares, no? Ang Vice Mayor dira sa aton sa Sipalay, si Vice Mayor Nonoy Montilla, ang asawa ya sini taga Iloilo. Mautod sa mga anday Sir Larry Hamora nung pet, no. So tapos ang asawa man sini ni Mayor Saiko, of course ang ni kung Hinaro Alvarez. Taga diri man sa Iloilo, mga nang, no. Taga diri ang ila asawa, Chinese ng ila asawa. So medyo malapit ang tagipusoon na nila sa mga Ilonggo, no. Si Mayor Nonoy Montilla, who is a very nice person. And of course ang aton nga duha ka congressman, si Deng Alvarez kag si Kong Limao, very low profile ini mga politiko, very humble nga mga politiko.
Kabalo ka, Engineer kung si Francis Magdayaw sa Negros sa Imulidirato. Bilibid ko mo do, matsakon masaylo ni sa Negros sa Negros.
Negros ako nung Peter. I'm born in Victoria's Negros Occidental.
Huwag na ako, igid man.
Artista mo na biyon.
Well,
Madagan sa kurba si Jabi. Ang amigaya si Soy Ramirez taga si Palay.
tambalan kita na. Pero may isa ko pamangkot si Engineer. Ini-related man ini sa functions ng DPWH. Ito may bago nga mga memorandum nga ginisyo si Secretary pertaining to sa mga building permits. Pwede ito mabala niya. Daw, makulit naman ini relation sa DPWH sa building permits. Hindi, gatabid din eh.
Of course, nung pet, no, kay tungod kita sa DPWH, hindi lang dalan kag bridges ang aton nga patigayon, no. Of course, we are also involved pag-construct sa mga vertical projects, ini mga buildings, no, mga school buildings, mga multipurpose buildings, ang nga ginapapunduhan sang nagakalain-lain nga mga kongresista, no, sa nationwide, no. Of course, ang ini mga roads niya kag bridges, wala niya kinanglan permit niya. Okay, these are vertical projects. No? Wala kita kinanglan sang permit nga kuhaon sa nagakalain-lain nga mga building officials. However, ini mga vertical projects naton nga mga building, kinanglan kita sini magkuha sang permit, building permit sa mga building officials within the area where the project is located, no. Kunyara sa Banwa, so dapat pero sa aton damo sang Banwa nga nasakupan ta kun digto na siya sa Hinubaan, dapat makuha kita sang building permit digto man sa Hinubaan. Kung diri sa Kabangkalan, makuha man kita permit sa Kabangkalan. So ang may mga issues and concerns, no, hindi lang sa bilog nga Pilipinas nga nagkatabo involving sa mga building officials, no. And of course I've heard nga sa Cebu gani or Davao, I think daw may mga kasuhay nga nagakalatabo about it, no. Of course ang building officials in charge ini hindi lang sa pag-issue sa mga building permit, but of course may obligasyon man sila to check, no, to conduct annual inspections not only of the commercial buildings but of course sa mga houses, mga residential houses. Why? Because lantawon nila kung ang mga existing building is still fit for occupancy. Kay ila ni obligasyon, no. So in the case ng aton mga sang memorandum nga gin-issue si Secretary Bunuan, gin-issue ya ini directed to all building officials. Kaya of course, the public should understand nga ang mga building official, ang secretary ng DPWH is the head of all building officials nationwide. Siya ang head sang building officials. Kag siya ni ang naga-issue sang designation. May special order man ni sila, no? Of course, kung i-appoint ka nga department head sang isa ka local chief executive, you need to secure a designation, a special order issued by the secretary of the DPWH to act as building official. So kinanglan na hindi lang na yang ano lang ang mayor, dapat there should have been a special order.
May confirmation niya no?
May designation,
Designation.
sang
Well, ano ang content sang directive sa memorandum ina?
do pareho man na sang amon nga designation ng PET, no, as district engineers, directors, regional directors, you are designated to act, to perform the duties and responsibilities of a building official. Do amo na siya. So now, ang ining bag-o nga gin-issue nga memorandum circular ni Secretary to all building officials, nabutang diri, no, nga kagaanta ka kopya sini karon ng PET, nabutang diri nga dapat ang mga district engineers, no, of different district engineering offices nationwide should apply a building permit with the respective building officials where the project is located. So ang duty, ang DPWH is duty bound to apply for the building permit, no, sa building official. So pag file ya sini, bisan kulang ang iya requirement, basta officially received, no, sang building official, kung may nakita dira nga pag-applyan na baton kompleto, may diferensya ang mga requirements, hindi ka pa issue work stoppage ang building official. So the project shall continue to be implemented except kung ang building official may findings nga may ang plano sang project sang DPWH may technical findings siya nga hindi compliant sa provision sang National Building Code, no. Of course, sa National Building Code may mga requirement nga dapat may exit the door ka, may percentage ni ang windows in comparison with the sang mga wall area. Tapos may mga setbacks ini, may mga provisions sina. So dapat kung amo lang findings ang building official, so i-communicate niya ina sa district engineers concerned to initiate corrections sang plano. So mas stop gid anay para nga so waton ina may issue variation order nga ang ginalaw ni secretary nga papundo nga ging tagaan niya authority ang building official to issue work stoppage in case of technical findings. Why? Because karon kung pasigihon ta lang ni obra ang proyekto, bisan may technical findings, kag natapos na ina ang proyekto, kag of course ang may contractor, kung ikaw may contractor, ang obligasyon sang contractor is to implement the project according to plan and specification. So karon kung hindi pag ipastop sang building official kag may technical finding nga hindi sa compliance sa building code, kag kompleto ng project, sino ang kung natapos, sino ang magasto sang pagpaliwat
Yes.
sang depekto nga natabo, no? So definitely kung di ako contractor, hindi ko kay nga na-comply ko, nasunod kong plano nyo. Karon paliwat mo ko, diin pa makuha pondo ang Department of Public Works for the correction to be initiated for purposes of complying with the provision of National Building Code. So that's the reason why si Secretary has given authority to the building official to issue work stoppage order for in case that the building official has technical findings. But aside from that reason, no, other than that reason, hindi kapastap ang building official bisan kulang ang iyang requirement, ang iyang mga documentary requirement, bisan waay pa consent ang kwan, pwede na mga kwan, no, the requirement. Actually, during my time there sa Iloilo City,
May basis, you know?
amo na ang kwan amo na ang agreement namo sa una ni Bobby Di Binagracia. Sila niya file lang. Kaysa of course, ang una nung, ang mga eskwelahan actually, wala pa matransfer ang title sa mga duta sa kalan sa eskwelahan kay deed of donation. Nagapangayo lang kami at the time sang certification from assessor na iyan ni sang city na. So this is the requirement. Ga-apply lang kami kay Bobby. So sige lang ang implementar sa project. So the same is true with the current that's pareho na sang provision sang memorandum circular naging issue ni secretary to all building official. So wala da problema. So that's why gani nga dapat ang mahimo na tani sang mga district engineer nga before the filing sang application for building permit, pwede man na nga ma-request ka for pre-evaluation sa imo plano before the building official. Para kung may correction sila mapaliwat mo, then amo pag-apply mo sa building permit para tuloy-tuloy na. Amo na that should be the case, no? That should be the case.
Kag applicable, no? Implementable yan ang memorandum nga kabudlay na magkoreksyon kung naman
Yes.
Nga dako.
That's it. That's what I'm saying. Karon kung hindi pag-ispa-stop sa building official, kag later, of course, after sang completion sang project, ma-request, ma-apply ka naman sang occupancy permit mo. Of course, before mag-apply sang during application sang occupancy, ma-inspect na ang building official to determine as to whether or not the particular building is compliant with the provision of the National Building Code. So in case, assuming for the sake of argument, there are portion of the building which is not complying with the National Building Code. Sino karon sina ang magasto sang pagpaliwat sina? Of course, kung ikaw contractor, Francis, natapos mo ng building, comply mo ang plans and plano dira kag specification, would you agree nga liwaton mo na? Ma-spend ka additional nga po. Mayo na kung gamay-gamay lang, kung puwerta lang ito. Kung dako karon. So who will fund that? Of course, on the part of the what the district will do, ma-request ka naman sa additional nga pondo, no? So daw detrimental disadvantage on the part of the contractor and of course sa gobyerno kay ma-release ka naman pondo for the purpose of correcting it. So that's why si secretary punuan nagbutang sang regulation to resolve these issues, no? Para nga that's why he has given authority to all building official to issue work stoppage in case there are technical findings on the plan. So what should have been what the DEs, the district engineer of DPLS will do to eliminate that problem is to request the building official to conduct an initial evaluation sang ila plano prior to the filing of application for building permit para tayo yun na ang pag-implementar sa mga proyekto. Hindi ma-delay.
Yes.
Hindi na ma-delay.
And to avoid future consequences.
Of course.
Just like that,
Yes.
car flyover, may mga problema kitang example, no? So that's a good example na lang. So to avoid that future problem, kami ng memorandum. Francis,
Sir, balik kita sa inayar na. Daw memorize nyo deraya ang mga major big projects sa Negros Occidental. How about sa Negros Oriental kag secure? Na-briefing ba na kamo, sir? Nga sa pagpungko nyo sa DPWH IR, amoy yung mga big infra projects na sa Negros Oriental kag secure?
Actually, Francis, no, as I've said kagina, the secretary has already officially issued department order officially establishing the NIR regional office for DPWH and directing all DEOs to district engineers of the 10 district engineering office falling within our area of to directly report to us, no. So definitely the next step that we will do, as I've said, i-collate na muna, we will require them to submit, no, the list of their project that they are currently undertaking undertaking within their respective area of jurisdiction. And of course, we will also met with the different the different local executives of different LGUs, and of course the two governors to determine their economic agenda, no? Kung ano ang ila we are having in mind nga mabutang kita sang master plan. So that's why subong nung PET nagaplaster na kung sino ang ibutang mga division chiefs, no. So ang pinaka-critical dili ang papungkuon ta nga planning engineer, because ang take off sang isa ka opisina is ang planning mo. So dapat we should put the best mind in the planning division of the regional office. So may mga ginakuha na kita, no, may mga ngalan na to nga ginapag-apply, ginapag-evaluate ta. But it is our trust ni RD Ayag na we will put the best, no. Should put the best foot, no, sa aton tanan nga mga division chief dira para mahapos man sa amon sa pag-draw sa direction where we will be for the next 5 years, no. Kay importante ini. That's the purpose, no. That's the purpose of the creation of the Negros Island region, no. Of course, ang mga sa Oriental, the feeling sila nga daw they have been shortchanged, no. Kay they are in the opinion nga ang mga development dili lang pirmi sa Panay, because the regional office of Region 6 is based in Iloilo City. So that's one of the motivation why there are more particularly the politicians of Negros Occidental has moved for the creation of the Negros Island region.
Sir, na-meet mo na ining tatlo ka governor sa Inayar. Governor Lacson of Negros Occidental, Governor Saberia of Negros Oriental, Governor Villa of Siquijor. Kag ano ang ila acceptance sang DPWC Inayar?
Actually, personally, Francis, no, ang na-met ko lang, no, is si Governor Sagrabarria, of course, si Governor Lacson, si Vice Governor Ferrer, no. And of course, sa Oriental, ang na-met ko ang duhada ka congressman, si Congressman Sikiting Sagrabarria, kag si Congressman Josie Lim Chai Chong, no. Na-met na sila, kay of course, nangayo makita sang ila endorsement for our designation as ERD. And of course, there is a Negros area na wala man kita problema kay of course I have also kilala naman si Congressman Yolo. Of course, ang aton niya congressman wala na kita problema. Si Vice Gov Ferrer kag diri man sa si Congressman Kiko Benitez, kag of course, most important si Mayor Albi. So, na-met na natin na sila before kita.
Congressman 3D Maranyon.
Kag si Congressman 3D Maranyon.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
I-acknowledge na na ito yung mga viewers, no? Shoutout ta, Edith Bio, Berlan, Texas, Ernie Tanlangit, Iris Bacabak, Daryl La Rosa, Francis Calonsod, Sani Carataw, Glenn Muro, Esther Lauderes, Net Espartiro, Ferdinand Esteves, Rex Rios Malte, Rosalina de la Cruz, Joseph Miller, Eduardo Arches, Lilian Porras, and Ping Magbanwa. Also to Eduardo Laureano, shout out, good morning also, and to La Arne. Well, Francis, di ka na magandog magsinabad sa Oriental, basta makagawa sa TVs tapos kagid. Kilala mo si Congressman Tibes?
Kilala sa newspaper kag sa TV.
So, ang role gid diya sa subong sa imo na assign mo is to inspection after the project. Pwede amo na isa naka-obligasyon para sa imo.
Of course, nung PET, no, ang prosmandi sa kada region, no, ang department nag-set sang targets sang DPWH. We have set target, no. May mga targets kita we have prescribed targets to be accomplished every month, no, every quarter. So as regional director and assistant regional director, so we will be the one to draw the line, no, kung ano ang aton maging maging accomplishment for this month. No? Actually, ang function mo as regional director kag district engineer is very similar. No? Kung ikaw ang district engineer, you are just like a regional director because you are the one drawing the line, but in a smaller scope. So in this case, kay sa region na kita, it's just the same but it is in bigger scope, no? So I think kani kung ara ka na sa regional office daw medyo medyo para sa ako na di medyo light na ining function because you have 10 district engineering office nga tuksoon mo. Whereas kung district engineer ka, ikaw gid siya bangamot from time to time ano na ni. So hindi may district engineer ka nga tuksoon. Of course, siguro ang amon obrahon, what I have in mind is that ining mga project nga mga suspended, mga delayed, this is the one which we will be having much attention. So that's what I have in mind. But of course, kay tungod assistant lang kinanong pet, hindi man kita makadirihir kung anong ara sa utok ta hindi ta na ma-implementar dayon. Dapat we should have we should pay courtesy or recommendatory lang kita daw. So i-brought up na sa aton nga regional director. And of course, dapat ready lang ako sinakay para nga kung pakayoon sa aton boss ara dayon. So ano lang kita ng alalay kita daw what is important nga ready kita kung anong pangitaon niya in a flick of finger ma-provide ta dayon. That's our new rule, no, as assistant regional director.
Okay, another question, Francis. You have 2 minutes more.
Sir, Member Donaton, you are still part of the PWS Region 6. Kag sa naligad ng adlaw, daw nag-regional consultation meeting kamo sa Roa City, headed by the PWS RD Oropel, kag talang DE. Nagpuntipon kamo dito. Kag by the way, every month ininginay mo ni Director Oropel, no? May monthly consultation meeting ang mga DE with him. So, ining recently, sa Roa City, hiwat, ano mga agenda ginastoryahan nyo na, sir, mag-consultation meeting ka mo?
So, we have a coordination meeting na ginakandak, no? Ang kada regional office, regional director, no? This is in preparation of their directors meeting with the secretary. Of course, monthly, may directors meeting man. Of course, si secretary, nag-check man sang accomplishment sa kada region, as to whether or not ma-met ang target, kung may mga problema nga dapat i-resolve, ginaistoryahan, of course, naga-disseminate man sa mga policies nila nga i-implementar sa nagakarain-lain yung mga regional offices and district offices nationwide. So the same token, the regional director is also conducting a regional staff meeting to keep abreast of what's happening in the respective DEOs within his AOR. Of course, definitely amo man ang mga problema, ang mga accomplishment niya i-front dito during the directors meeting, no. So that he has a personal knowledge of what has transpired, no, ano mga problema nga nagakatabo dira, no. So last kagapon may meeting kami dito with RD Oropel, no, sa Capiz, no. Aga na siya ganyan ang abot to mga alas 6 sugat mo sa airport because last Thursday he attended the budget hearing supposed to be sang DPWH final na, but daw na postpone, no, for next week, no. So nag-abot siya dito alas 6 ang aga kahapon. So kag conduct sang meeting. So nakatapos kami, I think mga alas 4 na sang hapon. Sa pag ginapa-report kita tag isa-isa mo. So we are being required by the RD Oropel to present the accomplishment of each DEOs, no. Para nga ano niya kung anong mga problema. So amo na. So in the same token amo man ang aton pagahimuon, no, dira sa aton region.
So by the way, nung Peter, ginaknalis na ito na pag-abot ni former Barangay Captain Efrenimio, ang PDP laban na Iloilo City Chairman nga ginapuwent ni Acting President Senator Ruben Padilla si Cap Efren himiyo nga head sang PDP laban diri sa syudad sang Iloilo.
He will be our next speaker. Well, Engineer, ano ini balita nga gin-postpone ni Presidente ang supposed project Kataytay sa Negros ko no, Negros no. Wala agin mention ng Iloilo, Guimaras, Negros nga bridge. Basta nagwa na nga basa ko nga gin-postpone ni President. May harap lang po project ang bridge ang Negros going to ano to secure no, not in Iloilo. Wala agin ang balang ang Iloilo Guimaras Bridge, hindi nga may gin-postpone lang ang Negros Bridge nga project. Gin-postpone ni Presidente, wala ko hindi. May harap lang project ka muna.
Actually, nung pet, no, I did not receive any information to that effect, no. But ang akon lang na balaan, ining aton nga Taytay, Panay Negros Bridge, no. Ara na ina, no, daw on his final stage na nga may timeline ini nga tapuson by 2028, something like that. So this year they are on the final stage sang pagprepara sang technical plans, no. Kag I presume, no, it will be started next year, no. Kay amo lang ni actually for 2024 amo lang ni siya ang high impact project na daw napunduhan mo sa kuan ara na siya sa pipeline, no. Magsiling ta pipeline on the go na ina siya. So as far as I'm concerned, no, daw naintindihan ko siya ni go na ini nga project.
Mura ni guro may impress
Pero daw ang sequensya daw mauna lang ang kuan, mauna ang Panay Guimaras, no. So ang Guimaras Negros. Daw amo nang sequence, no. Kay hindi siya madungan gid. So mauna-una lang ini ang aton nga Panay Guimaras area.
Well, ang parties memorandum to bla ginisyo ni Secretary, may copy na bla ni mga building officials.
Definitely may ara na ini nung pet, no, kay it's directed to them, no. It's an issuance which is directed to them. So may ara na sila sining mga kopya kay sa ila ni na partineser mo na concern, no. Kaya of course sometimes mabudlay pagani ang obra sa akon lang kung dira ka sa of course si Mrs., no, it came from DPWH. Of course, kung ara ka sa LGU, you're sometimes you're vulnerable to ang imo obra, sometimes nabutangan sang political color. Of course, this is good issuance, no, because it will make clear the stand of the building official and of course with the district engineers also to avoid misconceptions. So may clear-cut guidance na kung anong himuon, anong diin asta lang ang poder sang building official as to whether or not they can issue work stoppage, no? As to whether or not ano man ang obrahon sang isa ka district engineer as far as that matter is concerned, no? Para wala sang
At least may guidelines.
May
na,
guidance,
no?
klaro. So wala na sang assumptions, wala sang presumptions, no, para nga maklaro na. So for me it's a good development, no, kay para klaro makita tanan nga both sides, no. We have a clear directions kung ano ang dapat timuon.
Well, siguro ako ata naman ang tanan, no. Engineer, mahal lang kami simo sang parting words mo sa aton damo kita sang ilang tao aton niya sekretary ang isaway ni. Dito na malawag ang ibang tospiak nga cellphone. Mga na lang simo sang parting words sa aton.
So no, thank you so much, no, for having me here with your program. Of course, I also miss guesting here, no, because so far, no, ang aton nga area, so siguro kung fully functional na kami, so we have so many things to talk about. So as of now, daw wala pagkikita sa mai-discuss, no, kay we are just starting, no. This is a big challenge, no, for us, no. And of course, kung magsako na kami, makakoordinate na kami sa mga politiko naton, so I think next time around, I have so many things to share to the public as well as far as Negros Island region is concerned. No? So again, nung pet, thank you. And of course, aton makasimanwa, mayong aga.
Thank you. Thank you, Engineer. Francis, di ka lang magtugda. Karoon, labutan naman dugay ni Negros. Lawi ganad pinakalaba ang karsada nga sa Negros. So, hindi ka lang na magsupon kaya malayang ang takron. So, nabatian natin si Engineer Gustilo, ang newly appointed, promoted Assistant Regional Director sa Negros Island Region. So, mga salamat, Engineer, and we're thankful sa imo pagbisita. Kag damo kita nabalaan, hindi nga wala kita sa bal, madamo kita sa nabalaan yung informasyon. So, thank you very much. Don't go away. Masunod sa ating bisita, it's about politics. It's Francis Maruan. Thank you.